Now, let's create this particular part design in CATIA. So let me enter into new part. Let's say OK. Now, to create this part, we are going to start with this circle with a diameter of 65. So we are having here width of 34. Let's say, for example, on the front plane, we are having one circle here with diameter of 65. Let's give diameter of 65. Exit workbench, pad. By using mirror extent, we are going to make this total width of 34. As we are using mirror extent, we need to provide here 34 by 2. Let's say OK. Then next to that, we are going to create this part. So we are having here just one rectangular profile. As you can see, one rectangular profile with width of 45. Then length from this center to here we are having 96. So exactly for sketch on this front plane, just I'll create one center point rectangle like this. Then dimension from line to line, this width we are having here 45. Let's give this width of 45. This line to this line, I'll make it here coincidence. Then this height we are having here 96. Let's give this dimension of 96. Exit workbench, we need to make this pad by using mirror extent. As you can see, this width we are having only 25. So let me give this 25 by 2 as we are using here mirror extent. Let's say OK. Then next to that, we are having here this cylindrical part. As you can see, dimension from this to this we are having here 116. Already we made this 96 height with reference to this rectangular shape. Then from this to this we are having here 44 plus 26. So just I will go for sketch on this top face. We need one circle here. Dimension for this outer circle we are having with this 44 diameter. Let me give this diameter of 44. Exit workbench. Make this pad. Total we need here 44 plus 26. Like this. Then later to that, we are having this shape. With this shape, we are having total width of 50 mm. So now let's create this outer shape. Exactly on front plane, we will go for sketch. Now we are having one circle here. Outer circle radius of 25. So let me create one circle here. Dimension for that we are having radius of 25. So radius we need 25. Then to make this proper position, here to here we are having 96. So already we have given 96 for this rectangle. Just I'll make this point to this rectangle edge. We'll make it here coincidence. Then this shape we want, so directly we can go for profile. Let me start from somewhere here inside. One vertical line. Continuously we need one tangent arc like this up to here. Escape. Then this line we need to convert into vertical. Let me use this quick trim. I will trim these unwanted elements. We don't want this. By using constraint, dimension for this curvature we are having radius of 14. So for this we need radius of 14. This center point should be exactly on this vertical axis. Let's make it coincidence. Then to make proper position, from top we are having this height of 26. From top to exactly from this edge to this center point, height we are having here 26. Then this shape we want here. So to create that, as you can see here, one inclined and one horizontal, one more inclined line is there. So let me create that shape by using this profile, one inclined, one horizontal, again one inclined like this. Then relation between line to line, mouse right click, we need here allow symmetry line with reference to this. It means whatever the inclination we are having from this central axis to this, same we need this side also. Then this length we are having here 26. So let me give this length of horizontally 26. Then for this edge, from center to this we are having here height of 34. From this to this center point we are having here height of 34. Then next to that, if we try to check here, as you can see, this line should be tangent to this curvature. So let's make relation between line to this outer circle. We need tangency. Then we'll go for quick trim. We'll trim this unwanted elements. Now, up to now, if we check, it is iso constraint and geometry is a closed profile. Let's say OK. Then exit workbench. With that shape, we are having total width of 50. Let me make here pad by using mirror extend. So total we need 50. We will provide here half of that 25. Let's say OK. Now addition of material done everywhere. Again still this cylindrical part is there with a diameter of 28. Exactly from here, this width we are having here, as you can see, 36 we want from center. So on this right plane, we will go for sketch. To make proper position, I'll use swap reverse horizontal. Let's say OK. One circle we want exactly on vertical axis. Diameter for this we are having here diameter of 28. Then to make this proper position from this origin point to this point 96 we want. So let's give this dimension from origin to center point we need here 96. Exit workbench. From center we need to add material with length of 36. Let's make this pad with a length of 36 like this. Then next to that we will remove this shape material. Directly we can go for sketch on this front face. So to create that shape, we are having circle diameter of, as you can see, 34.9. Let me create one circle here with a diameter of 34.9. Then this circle and this circle center, it should be with same center point. So in that condition, we can apply relation between circle to circle mouse right click. We can make it here concentricity. So concentricity is nothing but both profiles will be created with same center point. Then this slot profile we need to create. For that, just I will create one profile like this from here to here vertical, horizontal and vertical. By using quick trim, we will trim these unwanted elements. Then by using constraint, we need to apply relation between these two, allow symmetry line with reference to this central axis. Then this width we are having here 12. Let's give this horizontal width of 12. Then dimension from center to this we are having 22.39. From this to center we need 22.39. Let's give that parameters. Then exit workbench, make this pocket up to last. Let's say OK. So this pocket done. Then later to that we'll go here with holes directly. So first I'll go with this one with a diameter of 41.25. One hole we want exactly center of this here 41.25, diameter of 41.25, depth up to next. Let's say OK. Then next to that, here we are having one small hole concentric to that with a diameter of 10. One hole we want exactly center of this with a diameter of 10, depth up to last. Let's say OK. Then again from top we are having one more hole with a diameter of 22.2 up to next element. So let's create one more circle hole with reference to this circle with a diameter of 22.2. Depth should be up to next. Let's say OK. So up to there material will be removed. As you can see here, dotted lines were shown up to this element. Then last we'll go for this part. So if we try to create hole directly with reference to this plane, hole is going to create on both directions. So in that case, just I'll click on hole with reference to this face. We need hole in reverse direction with a diameter of 10 mm. So to make proper position, we'll go for a positioning sketch. Dimension from this point to this origin point will make it coincidence. Exit workbench. So as you can see, hole is coming on only one side. Let's say okay, like this. So if you want to create again one more hole here with a diameter of this 10 mm, so it should be removed up to next, as you can see with the dotted elements. Again we will go here with one more hole exactly center of this curvature with a diameter of 10, depth up to next. Let's say okay, like this. So in this way we can create this model. Now if you want to cross check this entire diagram by using these hidden lines, just as you can see here, we can go with this and we can keep it here front view. Now we are not able to see these hidden elements. To show that, we'll go for display style. We can use this shading with edges and hidden edges. If I click here, hidden elements will be shown. As you can see, only here we are able to get that these hidden lines here, here and here. Same like this. Then let me keep it in right side view. By using this, we need here right side view. Just I click here. So wherever we are having these dotted elements, we are able to cross check here like this. Then at last, I'll keep it here top view. We'll check that shape proper to that. Then at end, we'll make it here isometric view. Then shading with edges. Now, if you want to apply any color for that, on part body mouse right click, we'll go for properties. We'll apply some color for this. So let me apply some color for this and let's say okay. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.